Today we have a video from Body Cam Boss, and the title of the video is No Nonsense Cop Surprises Mother-Daughter Shoplifters Ends Badly.
Officers responded to a call of a shoplifting complaint.
Come over here.
Where we shoplifting from? Walmart? What?
Here,
the usual?
What's the problem? What's the problem? You tell me. What's going on, Jules?
Oh, Jules.
What happened over there?
We stopped at Jules to wash them.
Okay. Yeah, I'm with the two female blacks.
Oh, wow. Why?
Just go over there real quick with them. I got these guys.
Oh, wow. What we do?
I don't know. You tell me.
We didn't do anything.
All right. What happened, Jules?
I stopped at, we went to Jules to
All right.
wash
What
them.
about the two guys you're with?
We weren't with no guys.
Come on.
And we was not with any guys.
Okay. Then where you stay at?
Where we stay at?
Yeah.
On the south side. Chicago.
Okay. Why are you here then?
We was out here visiting our cousin.
Okay, let's cut the bullshit. Just listen to me, okay? I'm really not in a mood for some nonsense. Okay, just listen. I don't need all the antics, okay?
No, you telling us we were just guys, so I'm not gonna sit and listen to it. But you telling us, oh, where's the guys? We're not with any guys.
Okay, cut the nonsense.
No, we're not with any guys.
You are.
No, I'm not.
Okay, I need your IDs.
I don't even think I got my ID on me.
Never have ID.
Oh, they said we was guys.
Listen.
We're not with any
I'm not.
Officer, we're not with any
Okay,
guys.
take your bag off, please. Both of you, put your bag on the hood of the car.
I can do that.
Thank you. Nothing in the bags? Because they said you guys stole stuff.
Oh, wow.
Man, put your bag on the hood.
Now, some people in that stealing, I did. I witnessed that.
Oh, you it?
Yeah, well, I witnessed them chasing somebody.
So when they come
So
up...
I guess everybody that's black and African American, everybody got something to do with it.
No, it has nothing to do with that. It has everything to do with we were called here for people stealing.
Oh, wow.
You asked me a question, I'm trying to answer it, okay? Okay, and then I see you two cut through the bank parking lot.
No, we're going to go to Walgreens.
You're going to Walgreens?
Yeah.
Walgreens is over there. Good try. Where are we really trying to go?
Oh, my Lord.
Where's your receipt for all this, ma'am?
That was already in there.
It is not?
That ain't come from me. Oh, wow. Why don't you just go take us to Jules and let Jules run the camera?
We will. Don't you
You
worry.
don't have to show me.
Can you give him your name? Your cousin.
Yeah, that's my cousin.
What's your name, man?
My name is Shamika.
How do you spell that? Last name, Shamika? How do you spell that?
You know what I'm
How do you spell it?
How do you spell it?
I don't know. You tell me. You want to play games? I'll play games all fucking night long. I ain't about to play with you.
Well, okay, well, all right.
So what's your name?
Anyway, so I'm not worried about
So what's your name?
My name is Shamika.
Thank you, ma'am. Shamika, what's your middle name?
I don't have a middle name.
What's your birthday? So who's telling me the truth? What's your name?
Shanika.
What's your name?
Now we mad about our name. That's my daughter. Shanika and
I want to try this one more time, okay? Before I start hooking you up for a felony. Where's your real name and date of birth?
My real name.
So when I run your fingerprints, what will they come back to? Okay, and where's your license out of?
I never had a license,
Where's
but
your-
my
where's your
state
ID
ID.
card out of?
My state ID is out of Chicago.
Chicago.
Yeah.
You know what? I don't appreciate the attitude from either one of you.
Yeah, I barely said anything.
You just had a smart ass comment for no reason.
You looking because
Yeah, I'm looking because I'm trying to confirm who you are. Because there's someone in here when I run your criminal history that has about 37 aliases. Your social you gave me comes back to somebody else. So I'm trying to figure out who the you guys are. I'm not about to play some Chicago bullshit out here in the suburbs. Your car you just came out here in, the car you came out here in is loaded with booze. Stolen booze. So, I'm letting you stand out here, run your mouth, whatever the you want to do. When I have enough to detain you, put you in handcuffs and make you uncomfortable as but I'm not doing that. Now, you want to keep running your mouth, I'll put you in cuffs, I'll bring you back to the station, and I'll fingerprint you, and you can stay for 6 to 10 hours while your prints come back. Because I don't believe you are who you say you are. I'm not about to play with the bullshit from the city out here. I'm tired of my groceries going up, I'm tired of my booze going up, I'm tired of all the bullshit going up because you guys decide you want to steal. and go ahead and play that for court. I don't care.
Facts. Keep that ratchet ass shit in the city, man. Don't bring that shit to the suburbs. Yeah, that's a fact. Hey. Bravo to that officer right there. Keep that ratchet ass hood rat shit in the city, man. This is the burbs, man. We try to keep the streets clean over here. You know what I mean? Now the burbs, they got their own issues. You know what I mean? They got junkies out there too. Let's not get it confused, okay? But in the burbs, they taking them rich drugs. You know what I'm saying? They might they might be doing that cocaine and that, you know what I'm saying? That's them party rich, type of drugs. Where, the low life type crimes and all of this hood rat, all of that, that's the city stuff. And now stealing liquor and shit. Come on, man. Like, come on. Get it together, man. Good stuff. I like that officer, man. Not saying that, the burbs in the city, they both got problems. But it's different types of problems, man. Different types of problems.
Do I make myself perfectly clear? I don't believe who you are. You can't prove it. Grown-ass adults walking around, no IDs, all this bullshit. Keep your city bullshit in the city. Don't come out here.
I gave you my name. I gave you my name and my birthday.
Okay, well, you can still go to jail. Because that car you guys rolled up in is loaded with booze. We found the other three. Okay, this isn't our first. Roll your eyes, make all the faces you want. I don't care. They charge out here for this bullshit. Go ahead and face the car, okay? You're under arrest and you're under arrest. Take money back. What's up? Yeah, give me 1 second to put this one on. Is that better? That one better?
My shit fat as hell.
Or which one hurts?
It's like...
Is that better?
Nah, this one right here.
My lock is so young.
I don't want my hand cut up. I got carpet on it.
I know. My lock is only any tighter.
Hey, Dave, you have the daring officer come over here. We took these two in custody.
She ain't gay yet. She don't need that feeling on my ass and shit.
Doesn't matter.
I am slut.
I'm telling you, it doesn't matter.
It do matter.
It don't matter. It's 2024. You can be whatever you want to be.
Yeah.
Hey, she got an ID on her because the name she gave ain't her. Oh, would you look at that? You do have an ID on you.
Hey, would you look at that?
Hey, what's my name?
So can we get an apology for being full of shit about our identity?
No. Hey, you good for 1 minute? All right, Duffy, they're both going to go in. You two are both under arrest for felony retail theft. We're going to hop in his car.
I know how to walk.
Retail theft, yes. When y'all went to Roselle?
No, yeah. Okay, well, running. I'm just talking about Roselle running. I'm not worried about this shit. I know how to get a lawyer and all this shit.
That's fine with me.
Oh, yeah, it's fine with me, too. I'm not worried about a mother.
Good for you. I'm glad. I am so glad you're not.
Charge.
Fake charge, yeah.
I'm not worried about the fake ass charge. Just like you thought everything was fake.
I feel you.
I'm not worried about you.
I'm not worried about you.
Jews gonna pop that ass.
I'm not worried about you neither,
I'm not worried about it. Okay.
Have a good night.
Okay.
Both women were charged with felony retail theft. Thanks for watching our content.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, this is it's wild. I ain't gonna lie. Man, we got a family affair going on. Apple don't fall fall far from the tree. You know what I mean? They doing crimes together. Okay. You know, if you a woman, you know what I'm saying? A daughter, right? You go to your mom's house, you know, be like, hey, what do you want to do? Oh, let's go steal together. Okay, that sounds like a great idea. Like, good bonding time, okay? Get to steal together with your mom. Unbelievable. Yeah, I get officers a 5, you know. Keep that stuff and keep the city stuff in the city. Keep the burbs, you know what I mean? That's how it go. Don't bring the city drama to the burbs. You know, just like you don't want to bring the burbs to the city, you know? Yeah, but anyway, I'll catch you. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.